as we were discussing about the sieve of Eratosthenes using a control parallel approach, here we have more than one processor and each processor is responsible for striking out the multiples of those numbers which are unmarked. But there are some disadvantages associated with this algorithm. If the processor, here as we have more than one processors, and if the processor execute in asynchronous fashion, means they share access to the same data structure in unstructured way, then the following error may occur. The first is 2 prime may end up using the same prime to sieve through the array, and the second disadvantage is that a processor may end up sieving multiples of a composite number. Let's move to the first disadvantage. 2 prime may end up using the same prime to sieve through the array. It means that let as the there are more than one processor and they are executing in asynchronous fashion, so there is no proper communication among the processor. So if the first processor takes the first natural number, that is a 2, and it will start striking out its multiple simultaneously. If the another processor takes the first unmarked number, and it may happen that the first processor have not informed to the second processor that I have taken the number 2. So maybe because of the miscommunication, the second processor may also take number 2, and both the processor will be busy in striking out the multiples of 2. So this type of problem may occur when the processors execute in asynchronous fashion. A processor, if we will see the second disadvantage, a processor may end up sieving multiples of a composite number. It means that कि as we have a number of processor in a control parallel approach, तो it may happens कि अगर first processor ने number 2 लिया है and it has started striking out the multiple of 2, then अगर दूसरा प्रोसेसर उससे पहले 3 नंबर को ले लेता है और वो उसके मल्टीपल्स को स्ट्राइक आउट करने लगता है, simultaneously if the third processor will take the next unmarked number, it may happens that the first processor may slow and it has not yet strike out the 4. So the third processor may take the number 4 and it will keep striking out the multiple of 4. So it may happen that कि जो आपके प्रोसेसर हैं वो कंपोजिट नंबर के भी मल्टीपल्स को स्ट्राइक आउट करने में बिजी हो जाए. So these are the problem involved with the control parallel approach. पहला प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि मे बी ऐसा हो सकता है कि एज वी हैव मोर देन वन प्रोसेसर, तो एक से ज़्यादा प्रोसेसर एक ही नंबर के एक ही प्राइम नंबर के मल्टीपल्स को स्ट्राइक आउट करने में बिजी हो जाए. Both the processors may taken 2 because of the miscommunication, as the first processor not informed to the second processor that I have taken number 2. And the second disadvantage is that कि it may happens कि हमने यहाँ पर हर एक प्रोसेसर को इंगेज किया है कि वो प्राइम नंबर के मल्टीपल्स को स्ट्राइक आउट करेंगे. ओके, अगर पहला प्रोसेसर 2 के मल्टीपल को स्ट्राइक कर रहा है तो दूसरा प्रोसेसर 3 के मल्टीपल को स्ट्राइक करेगा, थर्ड प्रोसेसर 5th के मल्टीपल को स्ट्राइक करेगा. बट बिकॉज ऑफ द as they are working in asynchronous fashion, तो it may happens that कि because of delay in information, अगर जो 4 नंबर है पहला प्रोसेसर ने अगर 4 को स्ट्राइक आउट नहीं किया है तो मे बी द अनदर प्रोसेसर may take 4 and it will assume that 4 is a prime number and it will start striking out the multiples of 4. So these are the disadvantages associated with the control parallel approach. In the coming lecture, we will see if the same algorithm is executed using a data parallel approach, then how the throughput gets affected. Thank you